Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com and welcome to another Artistic Vegan show. Today we're making potato spinach balls. These are something that we used to make when I first turned vegan and they were a staple. I would make them all the time. I haven't made them in years and they just keep coming up in my mind. So I'm going to share them with you and at the same time make us dinner. You won't need very many ingredients. You'll just need some potatoes, some basil, parsley, green onions, garlic, nutritional yeast, and spinach. That's everything you'll need, and I'll show you how to make it. The first thing you want to do is get your oven preheating to a high temperature. I have mine preheating to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a saucepan. I'm going to chop my potatoes into chunks, place them in the water with a little pinch of salt, bring it to a boil, and once I can pierce it with a fork, then it'll be good enough. They'll boil for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we'll proceed with the rest. While my water's coming to a boil for the potatoes, I have some spinach and garlic that I'm heating for about 3 to 4 minutes until it begins to wilt. I've boiled my potatoes for 6 minutes until a knife went through easily and came out easily. They're still a little bit tender. And then you just want to mash them up with the rest of the ingredients. And then you'll want to fold in the rest of the ingredients. And I'll show you what it looks like up close. And then we'll take them and place them into little balls, place them on a lined baking sheet, and bake them until they're golden brown. You'll want your spinach potato balls to bake for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're golden and have a nice little crispy exterior on the outside, and they're still nice and soft on the inside. And you can make your favorite dipping sauce. I added some Dijon mustard with seeded Dijon mustard and agave. You could also use maple syrup. Mix that together and it made a nice little sauce. And so, without further ado, give it a little taste. Delicious, an excellent way. If somebody doesn't like spinach or vegetables, you can slide them in there. And they're so yummy, they'll want to have more. At least I think so. Get the recipe at artisticvegan.com. These are so delicious. The herbs, the flavors, the garlic, the potatoes, the nutritional yeast out of the little cheesy flavor, crispy exterior and moist interior. Just delicious. And the sauce is really good too. I know you're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!